Hello, friends. My today's topic is to learn Microsoft Word. So, my motive is to train the people to learn Word quickly. With Word, you can create various type of documents like letters, newsletters, contracts, agreements, brochures, or even research papers. In this video, you will learn and explore how Word helps you work faster and easier as you create, edit, share the documents. Before we move forward, you should know about this session. First, I'm working with the newly updated version of Microsoft 365 because Microsoft 365 is constantly updating and improve the use case. Don't worry if what you see on your screen will not always matches with my screen. So, and second, uh, no experience is required to learn this module. Word appears differently if you are using Apple Mac. Create and sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. So let's begin. Now it's time to launch the Microsoft Word, open up the documents, and get comfortable with its surroundings. You may need to go to the Start button here on the taskbar to locate the Microsoft Word along with other Microsoft applications. Either way, once you select the Word icon and launch it, you will be taken directly to the home page by default. Here you can see there are some many templates which are created by Microsoft Word for easy to use. If you want more templates, you can click here and go for more templates. Underneath, you will see there are many documents which have been recently used. So we can select any document if you are already using some of the documents, and you can click on the blank document. It will open up the blank Word page. Now, this is the view of the Word, and you see there are many tabs like File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, and each tab has different groups. If you see, we have selected Home here by default, and there are many groups like clipboard, font, paragraph, styles. And if we go to Insert, the groups will be according to the uh, tabs. Like for insert, there are groups page for pages. We wanted to create tables, illustrations like charts, smart art. So we will go each one of these in our this video or maybe in the next videos. So let's begin with the home tab. First of all, make sure you save this file into your desktop or to any of your folder. This will help us to locate the file and our data will be saved. So to save the file, you need to go to File tab. Then you can click on the Save As. Then you need to go to Browse and save the file any of your desired folder. So I am saving it desktop. So I am giving it a name like Word Training. Save. So our file is saved, and if you are using the latest version of the Microsoft Word, so there is an option of auto save. So you can enable it if it's unable. So once it's enabled, then your file will be auto saved as you work on the Microsoft Word. So let's start with the Home tab. So first of all, if we wanted to give some title to this Word document, like our today's project, Microsoft Word. So we can change the font here. So once you select the text, so we can change the different fonts here, and we can change the size, how big text we want, and we can use this paragraph group to make it a center. If you wanted to change the color of the text, you just need to select the text and change the color of the text from here. If you want more colors, you can click on the more colors and you will find various options to be select from. There are two options, slant, standard and custom. So you can choose any of your desired color. So we will select this color for now. And once you start typing the content of the text, so I'm just taking the text from my different document. I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So if you see there are, we have pasted the text here and it is not properly aligned from the right side. So to make it aligned, you just need to see these options. So how you want your text to be appear. Should it be center aligned, right aligned, or it should be justified so that it's aligned from the left and from the right as well. And if you want to highlight any particular text, you can do it by pressing it here. There are various options to select from. Okay, and if you wanted to include some steps here or bullet points, you just need to start typing your points like step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. So once you select the text, you just need to select those points and click on these options if you want the some bullet points here, or you want it to be appear as like ABC or 1, 2, 3 or Roman numbers. So this is about the home tab. So you can just make some practice, play around with these functionalities, and you will see how interesting it would be. Now moving to the insert tab. So there are a lot of options here. So if you are creating a resume and you want to include a cover page on the top of it, you can include it from here. There are a lot of templates available. You can select any of the template, and if you wanted to include table within your document, you can do it by pressing it here. How many rows should be, how many columns should it be, and you can see there is an option to change the design of the table. So you can choose as per the designs if you want to make some, if you want to create some tables. And there are a lot of options if you wanted to include some shapes here, like if you want to include some arrows or any other shape, you can play it from here. There are a lot of options, so I think that should be enough for today, and we can discuss in our next video. One thing I just wanted to highlight that if you wanted to include some background in your document, you can just click on here. You can choose any of the images here from your computer or from stock images. There are a lot of options here to be choose from, and there are a lot of categories as well. I'm taking this as an example for now. So this is entered into the table, and since we wanted it as a background, we just need to change the position of this document. So I'm just clicking it here on the wrap text. I just need to click on the behind the text and move it to behind the text. and we can change the color of this document or the background. So it would be interesting if you play around with these functionalities and you see how interesting it would be. And there are a lot of options like how to link the document, how to create a header and footer, page numbers. We will cover some other features in our next video. Hope you like this video, and feel free to put a comment if you wanted to know anything else and if you have any questions. Thank you.